Hello, hello again. My name is Yuri. If you don't know me already, well, this is the Songbook Caravan collection. Another song continuing. We are on the song number 23, 23, which called "Oh Great Spirit." This song, it's again from the collection from this book, and it's actually like a mantra song that you can like sing continuously and continuously and continuously the same words, and it will put you into um, like harmony in like peace, like eternal peace. And that's why these songs are very powerful, because they actually put you in this kind of state of mind that it's like peace and harmony. That's why it's like a mantra. You can sing it as many times as you want continuously. Like they do mantras for like 108 times, so like wherever, hundreds of times. You could do it as many as you want. You can do it by the fire, with friends, home, anywhere. You can do it by yourself. You can meditate. It's really good for you, for your brain. And of course, this song is A minor, G, C, G, A minor. And in the comment section, you will see all the lyrics, which are very simple, and chords, and the descriptions and everything. Anywhere you can get this book. Plus, you don't have to get the book because you're gonna have the lyrics right there. Song number 23. Oh, great spirit. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside. Oh, let's be earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around of me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside, all around me. Oh, sacred mystery, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Oh, great spirit, earth and sky and sea. You are inside and all around me. Please press the red like button and subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.